Hey, welcome and welcome if you are watching the replay. This is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. So tonight what I'm going to be doing for you is an ink project. I'm going to make a t-shirt and I am also going to do a hat. Now I purchased these again. I just purchased these at a local craft store. I'm not sure how the hat is gonna turn out, only because this is it's like a suede material. Hey Nikki, how are you? So we'll see how that turns out, but we're gonna start with our t-shirt. So I can tell you, I got this t-shirt pretty cheap at a local craft store, so I'm really excited about that. And then I am gonna be doing, because I like this color green and I thought this would be really cute. And I'm sorry if the lighting isn't that great, but this is gonna be our The Adventure Begins. And this is actually our Club Couture Transfer for the month of July. Oh, and by the way, I'm Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, if I didn't say that. And if you guys want, on the bottom left-hand corners of your mobile devices, there is a share button. So if you like what you see, you are more than welcome to share it. So at Chalk Couture, we have a line of silkscreen reusable transfers. We have chalkboards. We have other surfaces that are launching tomorrow. We have chalk paste. We have ink. So you're going to see how this works in action. But each and every month, the company releases something called a Club Couture. And what that means, it is a transfer that was designated for that month. And like I said, every month we have a new one. As a designer, you do get that for free. It is actually part of our website fee that we pay of $19.99 a month. So it's really awesome that you get a free transfer. So this is the one for the month of July. Now, on the back of each and every one of our transfers, there are the directions, how to peel, apply, clean, store, remove, dry, everything, because all of our transfers are reusable. Hey, Ashley, how are you? Hi, Melissa, welcome. Please make sure you tell me where you're watching from. I always love to see when we have new people popping in. So I'm just going to remove my transfer. I'm just going to throw that away. Now, I don't think I'm going to use these pieces. So I'm just going to go ahead, and there are lines in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. There are lines right in here. That's where you're going to cut your transfer. And a lot of our transfers have that. So I'm just going to cut that off. I might put this in, but I'm not sure I'm going to. I think I might just do the adventure because I'm going to be leaving in a few days to go camping. And I think that'll be a cute little shirt to have. All right, so I'm gonna write on the back of my transfer because again, they're reusable and I wanna make sure I know what side is the back. And I'm gonna put adventure. Now I will be using our Couture inks for this project. And for those of you who have been watching, I'm watching you while you're heat setting. You go, Ashley. Oh, Melissa, yes, I'm waiting for you to join, girl. That kit went live today. Aren't you excited? That $99 kit with $240 worth of products and everything's new. How awesome. How awesome, you guys. And if you're interested in more, we'll be talking about that throughout the presentation. So I have my transfer ready. Now this is something also that we offer at Chalk Couture. These are called our ink mats, and this is actually one. When you get it, it's actually this long, okay? And you can cut this one. You can do different things. We have two different sizes, but this is really nice when you're doing like a smaller project. So I've already cut mine because I've used these several times. You're gonna remove this little plastic covering because what's really cool is this side, I don't know if you guys can hear that, is sticky, okay? So you're gonna take this and you're gonna put it inside of the t-shirt or whatever you're doing, because you can do dish towels, you can do so many other surfaces, cosmetic cases, tote bags, but I'm gonna stick this right inside. Okay, I'm just gonna fix my t-shirt. And what this allows you to do is it allows you to smooth out your surface so that you have a nice flat area to work on. And it's not gonna move on you, so you don't have to worry about that. So I have that right in there. And you see how nice and smooth that is? So that is where my transfer is gonna sit on top of that. Plus, if you should have bleed through, that's gonna stop it as well, okay? And all the ink mats are also reusable, and they're all available right on my website at chalkingwithjen.com. So I am going to remove my transfer from the backing. So how's everyone doing today? I, again, just got home from work. I'm working 7 days in a row or something like that. I don't remember sometimes. I think, actually, you should know how many days I'm working in a row. I keep telling you when I'm at work. I'm gonna place this in the center area of where I would like it on my t-shirt, and I wanna make sure it is on that backing. I'm just trying to make sure like I get the word "the" right in the middle of where the logo is inside the t-shirt. I'm gonna smooth it out. And again, what's really nice is I have that ink mat under there, so it gives me, we're both doing 6 or 7 days, I don't remember. So that it gives me that nice flat surface, it gives me something to press against, but I just wanna make sure that there are no air bubbles within the silk screen area. Okay? Now this project, I'm only gonna use one color. And at Chalk Couture, like I said, we just released, well, actually, let me rephrase that. Tomorrow, we are releasing our brand new autumn catalog. And it's super awesome. New transfers, new surfaces, new inks, new chalk paste. So these are all the new inks that we're gonna be offering. There are, sorry, it's not in your view. There are 20 different ink colors that you can choose from, which is super awesome. And that's gonna be cool if like you wanna do t-shirts, towels, anything to match your home decor, pillowcases, really cool things. You could do mugs. So a lot of different options that you can do using our products. All right, so I've got that in place. I'm gonna get my ink and I'm gonna get myself a squeegee. Now, you can, if you're uncomfortable, you can tape this off if you want to. I think I have enough room that I'm not gonna need to do that, but I am gonna put a towel over here because our ink is a permanent ink once you heat set it. But being that I'm doing this on fabric, I don't wanna get it on my fabric because again, it's permanent and it's really hard to get out of fabric. I've done it. I think I actually have a video on YouTube where I shown that you can get it out. I think I used OxyClean, so anyway. All right, so I'm gonna get my ink, get it on my squeegee. Just making sure I got ink, just making sure. And then I'm going to pull it over my transfer. I got a lot on there. And I what's really nice about the ink, again, this it goes on as a liquid, and then once you heat set it, it dries as a solid. It is permanent once you heat set it. You can put it in the washer and dryer, and it will remain on your designs. So, don't you love it? You guys, we are a home party plan company. What that means, it's like direct sales, if anybody knows what that is about, where you can go in home, you can do workshops. We call them make and takes or sip and chalks. You can do that, or if that's not your thing, you honestly don't have to do that, you guys. You could totally make finished products. Like I could make this, and if I wanted to, if I had a local boutique near me, I could sell it at a local boutique. I could do vendor shows. I could have an Etsy shop where I sell right on Etsy. You could have a private Facebook group, or I think it's Spotify. I think that's the name of it. So a lot of different options where you could be a Chalk Couture designer, make an extra income, and run it in many different ways. People can shop right from your website. And purchase the products and do this at home. So if you are a crafter or scrapbooker, or if you ever wanted to make those really cool signs out there, You can absolutely do that using our products, and anybody can do this. I am not the most crafty person, but Chalk Couture makes me crafty. Hi Rose, welcome and thanks for watching. So I'm just gonna remove my transfer. I'm nervous, this is always the nervous part. We're gonna do the peel and reveal, you guys. Are you ready? Peel and reveal. I love it. Oh my gosh, it turned out awesome. I love it, you guys. Look at that. Oh, okay. As long as I didn't have it on my finger. Phew, that was a close one. So now what I'm gonna do, there is something called a heat press that is out there on the market. You don't need it, but it works a lot quicker. Honestly, all you need is a little bit of parchment paper and an iron. You're gonna iron this, you're gonna take the ink mat out, you're gonna iron this on both sides for 4 minutes, and your design is absolutely permanent. So how awesome is that, you guys? Do you love it? Give me some thumbs up, give me some hearts, you guys. I hope you love it. I do, I'm so excited. Okay, so that's our t-shirt. I'm gonna set this aside because I wanna go ahead and I'm gonna do a hat, okay? I'm a little nervous about this one. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Like I said in the beginning of the video, this is like a suede. So I'm not sure how it's beautiful, but I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. If it doesn't work, it didn't cost me a lot, but we'll see. When you buy your hats, you know how this is inside? Thank you, Rose. Leave this inside when you're doing it. This way it kind of gives you something that's a little bit more pressure on that area. Okay, so let's see. So what I'm gonna use for this one is because I did our adventure shirt, right? I'm a big time camper. So this is something called our Explore More transfer. So it comes with all these different pieces, okay? And obviously you're gonna cut them apart. So these are all the different ones I have. And I think I'm gonna go, I don't know, what do you guys think? I kind of like the one that says Lost, but which one do you guys think? Out of all these, which one should I do? Should I do Wander? Should I do Explore? Happy Camper? Outside? Yes to Adventures? Or Lost? What do you guys think? Come on, give me some comments on which one I should pick that goes with my adventure shirt. I'm kind of between these two, but you tell me. Let me see what you guys think. Anyone out there, where are you guys from? And tell me what you think. I know, Ashley, isn't it nice? It was such a good price, right? Oh my gosh, I know. I'm hoping it turns out really good on here. All right, you guys, help me pick one or I'm gonna have to pick one. I don't know which one to do. Let's go Explore. This one here, you like this one, Donna? See how that'll look on there. I think that'll work. I think that'll be cute. Happy Camper or Outside? Outside. I don't know if you guys can see that. So there's the Outside. Explore. All right. Okay, you guys, we're gonna go with the Explore. We're gonna do the Let's Go Explore. Okay. So again, we're just gonna write on the back of our transfer. And by the way, my adventure transfer that I took off the t-shirt is just right in water for me to clean up when I'm done. I'm just gonna clean it up with water and Clorox wipes, and then I'll let it dry. And I do have, again, I have YouTube videos where you can see exactly how that process works. Taking the right off of the backing, and I'm gonna put it on my hat. Oh my gosh, I'm really nervous to do this one, because I do not know how this is gonna turn out on this hat because of the fabric. So let's see. And I'm gonna press really hard only because of the shape, and I wanna make sure there's no air bubbles. So I think I'm just gonna go with white, okay? This way it'll kind of match. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go with white again. So I'm just gonna get my ink back out. Oh gosh, you guys, I'm actually nervous to do this one. I'm actually really, really nervous. Woo! Facebook Live, here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my ink. And I'm going to, can you guys see? I hope you guys can see, I'm waiting. I'm a little delayed. I hope you can see. Give me some thumbs up or hearts if you can see. No, okay, I'm a little off. There we go. And I'm gonna pull it across that. You guys, I hope it turns out. Look, I'm being really quiet now because I'm a little nervous. I don't know. This is my first hat. I have never done a hat before. And I don't want to get it on anywhere else but that silk screen area because, again, our ink will be permanent, especially on something that's porous. All right, you guys, are you ready? Oh, now see, I'm really nervous about this. Okay, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. I can do it, Ashley. I can do this. I can do this. Okay. I'm going to just rip it off like a Band-Aid. 1, 2. Okay, I can't rip it off like a Band-Aid. It's oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at that. Do you love it? Oh, it turned out perfect. I'm sorry, I get excited. I get excited when things turn out so good. Look how nice that turned out. And I'm just gonna go like this. I gotta let this dry, and then again, I will heat set this as well. I'll put the parchment paper, and then I'll heat set that, but oh my gosh, you guys, look how cute. I hope you can see both of these. Do you love it? Do you love it? This is our Couture inks and our silk screen transfers, you guys. What do you think? Do you love it? Give me some hearts if you love it. Thank you, Rose. I love it. I'm so excited. All right, you guys, if you want to learn more about Chalk Couture, thank you, Melissa. Please reach out to me. You can message me right here on Facebook. You can go ahead and if you want to put the word info below or more information, we have an amazing opportunity group I'd love to add you into that you can learn more about the opportunity. Or if you're interested in just purchasing the products, like I said, the t-shirt and hat I got from a local craft store, but the Couture ink, the ink mats, all of the transfers, and many other things are right on my website at chalkandwithjen.com. If you truly love what you saw and you want to share this with your friends, please, on the right-hand side of your mobile device, there's a share button. You guys, I am very happy with how this turned out, and I hope you are too. And I hope you have a great evening. I'm going to sign off. And again, if you have any questions, reach out to me. All right, you guys, have a wonderful evening.